shot from Photoland, and hi there, my name is Shaf from Photoland, and I want to talk about a website called Free Digital Photos Net. It's a website for selling photos. I'll go through the website. Of course, you have guidelines. You should read it. I'm not gonna go over it. And titles, image titles, it tells you image descriptions. Tells you this is instructions. Go through this stuff and read it up. I'm not gonna tell you about it now. Very important to read the terms and conditions. Referral. You have a referral program, but I'm not gonna talk about it because you read it. The idea here is to show what I'm doing. You sell. Here's the earnings. I didn't have earnings yet because I started this week. So I want to give you an idea how to upload photos. Single file, multiple file. That means you could upload 20 photos at the same time. Click here, add photos. I'm just going to add a file that you'll see. I'm just going to edit. I'm not going to edit it because it's not a good photo. This is too small. You press start and then after it finishes, let me just do it a real photo. Let's go. Desktop. Let's picking a photo, even I'm not going to sell it. You click one photo or a couple photos. No, let's do it for real photos now. One. Let's just do these real photos and that's it. Okay, here's the photos. Start uploading. The thing is, in this photo, you could sell. Let's say you have prices. You could say $10 and 8. It has different prices. I'll show you the prices in a second. Just wait till it uploads. You see, it's uploading. When it's empty, you see it's done. And the thing here is you could upload 20 photos in time, but then they ask you if you want to upload from. You can also upload from FTP. Means you upload it from a program called. Whenever I get to this website to this thing that I need to upload. Okay, 1 second. Submit. You can upload more photos, and look, what we're gonna try to do is upload FTP files. You see the program FTP client. I have a program. It's free for downloading. I'll make a video about it at a different time. It says you have larger volume of images to upload. You can use the FTP upload system to send the images more easily. You have to get to approval of 80%. And you could apply if you get to 80%. You could apply. Okay, now we'll go to the files, incomplete files. Let's do all the sunsets. You can click do all the sunsets together. We'll do it all together. Same thing. Okay, I don't know if it's all of the sunsets, but it's major sunsets. Look, I have a list of I built it up for myself already. You can see how I set it up. Titles and keywords. It's 50 keywords I have. Seeing here, you have 9 words. 9 words. Okay. Photography. If it's illustration, you put illustration. Let's get the keywords. No, 1 second. Did we? Yeah. Let's put here a capital. It's better to put a capital. We'll copy now the keywords. It's already made. I made the keywords from Shutterstock and different websites together. I have another video about it. You could look in the videos, you'll find it. How to find keywords in Shutterstock. Let's look for sunsets, landscapes, sunsets, and sunrises. If it's commercial use or editorial use, I'm talking about mostly commercial, because additional, most people wouldn't. Additional means you have photos of people, news photos, and stuff like that. And you have to do it. Click here, accept our terms and conditions, prices. I usually, they say that that's best to do it, put on $10. You see, large 8, 5, and free, and this is external license. That means a bigger file, TIFF files or RAW files, whatever they. Sometimes they blow up photos of people, and you can have maximum sized. He does it for the order. I didn't get yet to this website to it. So okay, here save changes and submit. Okay, I'll go to complete files. Here I have 90 images. Let's go to see. I have all the. That's waiting for pending. I don't know what's going on. We'll see. Given the time, at least it's online. I don't know if they're working now because of the whole thing. So I will make more videos about this. I'll open up. I have a public profile page, but it's empty because I don't have any files there yet. And the thing is, in the beginning, try to upload all the photos you have. Of course, photos have to be 5 megapixels or bigger, because these websites ask for bigger photos. But the thing is, when you're uploading your photos, if you're uploading a photo, it's not the right size. It tells you it's too small file, and you can put a bigger file. And that's it. Most of the thing is that's the way you work. Upload as much photos as you could, and read also the guidelines. It tells you what to upload. Let's see. And of course, a model release. If you take a picture of a person, you can see the face and recognizable face. You have the model release. You go into here, you download the model release, and you sign people up in your model release. Okay. Tells you exactly instructions, how to do it, what kind you need, and also you also have a blog here. Go into the blog and look what's popular. The very good thing is to go in here and look what's popular in the website. You see, look what's more popular and try to take photos that look more popular, and it gives you a lot of results, a lot of pages. This is a small stock site. I don't know exactly how much photos are selling, what's going on this website. You see, it's a small website. You see, traffic rank. You never know. It could be one of these small sites that people will like your photos and buy a lot of photos here. So I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below the video and share the video, and have a good day.